Imagine a world where transactions are lightning fast, fees are negligible, and energy consumption is minimal. A world where businesses, governments, and individuals can rely on a decentralized network that is secure, efficient, and built for the future. That world isn't just a dream, it's Hedera Hashgraph. Unlike traditional blockchains, Hedera operates on a revolutionary technology that redefines how distributed ledger works. But how did it come to be? What makes it different from other blockchain networks? And why are some of the biggest companies in the world betting on Hedera? Now, the story of Hedera begins with Dr. Lehman Baird, a renowned computer scientist and co-founder of Swirlds. In 2015, he invented Hashgraph consensus algorithm, a revolutionary alternative to blockchain that offers fast, fair, and secure transactions without requiring the traditional proof of work or proof of stake mechanisms that we know to love. By 2017, Hedera Hashgraph was established as a public network with the goal of providing enterprises, developers, and individuals with a decentralized yet highly efficient and scalable distributed ledger built for the future. Unlike traditional blockchain structures, Hedera utilizes a DAG architecture, allowing it to process thousands of transactions per second with finality in just a few seconds. In 2018, Hedera conducted one of the largest ICOs in history, raising $124 million to fund development and growth. Since then, the network has continued to evolve, focusing on enterprise adoption and regulatory compliance. Hedera has made tremendous strides in technological advancements, rolling out key services that make it stand out from other blockchain networks. Some of these include Hedera Consensus Service, a high-speed messaging and logging service used for applications requiring trusted timestamps and verifiable event ordering. Furthermore, we have Hedera Token Service, a cost-effective way for developers to create and manage tokens without needing smart contracts. Speaking of smart contracts, we have Smart Contracts 2.0, upgraded Ethereum virtual machine capability allowing developers to build decentralized applications seamlessly. And lastly, Decentralized File Service. This offers secure and immutable file storage on the Hedera network. Now, there is no questioning adoption of Hedera technology is growing rapidly. Major companies and institutions are integrating Hedera for real-world use cases. Avery Dennison utilizes Hedera for transparent and verifiable supply chain tracking. The Coupon Bureau leverages Hedera for fraud-resistant digital coupons, ensuring trust and security for businesses and consumers. DLA Piper, a global law firm, is using Hedera for tokenizing assets and streamlining legal agreements. Additionally, Shinhan Bank is exploring Hedera's infrastructure for international remittances and stablecoin development. And this goes a step further. Several governments and public sector organizations are exploring Hedera for secure identity management and interagency data sharing. With more than 10 billion transactions already processed, Hedera is providing itself as a leading enterprise-grade distributed ledger. And at the heart of it all, we have HBAR, the native cryptocurrency of the Hedera network. This serves as three primary functions: transaction fees, staking and security, and network utility. Furthermore, organizations are exploring HBAR as a payment mechanism for micropayments, remittances, and other financial applications. Which brings me to Hedera's strategic partnerships, which span multiple industries, helping to drive its adoption and credibility. The Hedera Governing Council consists of some of the world's leading corporations, ensuring that the network remains decentralized and governed by a diverse set of stakeholders. Some of the key members include Google Cloud, which provides cloud solutions and operates a Hedera node, IBM, which is exploring supply chain tracking and enterprise-grade dApps on Hedera, LG Electronics, which is searching for use cases in the Internet of Things and digital identity verification, Boeing, which is investigating aerospace application for Hedera's consensus and data integrity capabilities, and Deutsche Telekom, which is utilizing Hedera's infrastructure for telecommunications and digital transformation. But of course, I saved the best for last, particularly the biggest collaboration in all of crypto history. Hedera is exploring a relationship with Swift, the global financial messaging system used for cross-border payments. Now, let me just explain to you how significant this is if you're not familiar with Swift. Swift processes an estimated $5 trillion in financial transactions daily and facilitates the movement of money across more than 200 countries, serving over 11,000 financial institutions. Now, you might be wondering, why does Swift need a little guy like Hedera? Well, Swift has been facing challenges related to transaction speed, cost, and transparency. To address these issues, Swift has been exploring ways to integrate Hedera's technology for more efficient and secure financial transactions, particularly through its ISO 20022 standard. By leveraging Hedera's fast and low-cost infrastructure, Swift aims to improve transaction speed, transparency, and compliance in the international payment space. In 2025, Swift will take this partnership further by launching live trials with banks across North America, Europe, and Asia. These trials will involve real financial transactions with major banking institutions, demonstrating confidence in Hedera's ability to scale and handle global financial operations. Now, let's take a moment to accept how significant this really is. Swift's selection of Hedera out of all the blockchains out there is not just a nod of approval, it's a strategic move by a financial institution that the world, banks, and countries rely on every single day. Now, that's just one stepping stone in 2025. Hedera's roadmap includes multiple key upgrades to solidify its position as a leading distributed ledger technology. Upcoming improvements include sharding implementation. This will enable horizontal scaling by dividing network workload across multiple shards, significantly increasing transaction throughput. We also have EVM enhancement. This will further improve smart contract execution with optimized Ethereum virtual machine support for greater compatibility and efficiency. We also have interoperability solutions, expanding cross-chain functionality through additional integrations with blockchain bridges and layer 2 networks. And of course, the exciting one, enterprise adoption, continued partnerships and integrations with Fortune 500 companies, strengthening Hedera's presence in supply chain management, finance, and data integrity solutions. And lastly, and not as exciting, sustainability initiatives, further optimizing the network's energy efficiency and carbon negative impact. Now, I think it's safe to say the future of Hedera is one of boundless potential as enterprises, governments, and individuals continue to embrace its capabilities. Hedera stands as a transformative force in the digital economy. Its growing list of partnerships, ongoing technological advancements, and strong commitment to sustainability positions itself as a leader in next-generation decentralized solutions. But I want to know your thoughts down below. Is Hedera all it's cracked out to be, or is it destined to fade into the distance like many other blockchains before it? If you found this video informative, consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on videos like this and many others we post on DataDash daily. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.